Have you ever felt the wind on your face and wondered what happens to trees and animals on a windy day? Can you guess which animal loves to play when the breeze blows? Look outside. The tall green trees move their branches back and forth, like they are waving hello. Their leaves shake and flutter in the air, making soft sounds. Squirrels hold on tight to the tree trunks, while their fluffy tails wiggle and twirl in the wind. Birds spread their wings wide and let the wind help them fly high and fast. Look at the grass. It bends and sways, making it look like a green ocean moving gently. Sometimes, little kids run and laugh as their hair blows all around their faces. Even dogs and cats feel the wind and chase leaves that fly by, jumping and spinning with joy. On windy days, the whole world feels busy and full of fun. The wind makes everything move and dance together, like a big happy party. Did you guess which animal loves to play in the breeze? It's the bird. Birds use the wind to soar and glide in the sky, having the best time ever. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.